Welcome back to Living in San Bernardino, all things San Bernardino. Today I'm going to address one of the most commonly questions I get as a realtor. David, where can I find a good deal? Where are all the good deals? Well, right now I'm standing in an amazing deal. But before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to my page for more real estate deals and living in San Bernardino. So you're probably wondering, how is this a good deal? Tell me more. I want to know. Well, let's first take a tour of the property. We'll come back here and I'll explain in more detail what type of loan, what type of deal this is. So I'll see you in about 30 seconds. Enjoy this quick tour. So I know what you're thinking, David. This property needs too much work. I don't have the cash to buy it outright, and I definitely don't have the cash to renovate, remodel the house. Well, what if I told you there's a way you can buy this home, remodel it the way you want it, and it would not cost you one single penny out of your pocket to have a remodeled custom home to your liking? I know what you're thinking. How's that even possible? It needs flooring and it needs paint. How am I gonna buy this home, have it renovated and remodeled with no money? Well, the most common way that a lot of people don't realize is called a 203K loan or a renovation loan. In all three programs, you can use it, whether you're going VA, FHA, or conventional. You can tie the remodel into the loan. So let's use this home as an example. This home right now is priced at $550. I already ran comparables, and what comparables are other homes in the area that have sold. The comparables in this area for this type of home is at $650. This property right now is listed at $550,000. So let's assume that you're only gonna do three things: flooring, paint, and cabinets. And let's estimate that at $30,000. So what that means is that you're not buying a property at $550, you're buying a property at $580 because you're tying that $30,000 into the loan, a renovation loan. Now, I feel this property with those three things done could appraise at $650. So you're all in at $580. It appraises at $650. That is a $70,000 worth of equity you walked into the house with updated flooring, updated cabinets, and brand new paint, making this a phenomenal deal. So next time you're online swiping and you come across that ugly home, don't swipe by it. Call me. Let's see if we can get you in one of these loans where you can renovate that home to your liking. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe to my page, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.